Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are doing good. You can see behind what is there here, Taj Viewpoint. So by God's grace, I finally reached Agra, and I'm on the way to Taj Mahal, uh, and I'll be showing you some of the important view points where you can view, and if you have not visited Taj Mahal, and I'll show you complete details about this Taj Mahal. Watch this video and enjoy the video. Thank you all so much. Please like, share and subscribe from my YouTube channel. Thank you all. As soon as you come from Agra to Taj Mahal, so you'll see this Virangana Jalkari Bai Kohli. So this statue you will see. I don't know what is the name of this statue. Who is there on the horse also I don't know. Please do text me in the comment box. So if you go towards left side, you will find Taj Mahal point of view. From there you can view complete view of Taj Mahal. I think so. You can't see not even 500 meters far also we can't see. It's completely filled with fog. Okay, come. Let's go and let's enter from the west gate parking. Hope the tractor is going. Till how far we can see the tractor, we'll check. I think now we can't see the tractor where it is. So you can just imagine how much cold it is here right now. The cold is it's almost like I'm freezing right now. My hands are completely frozen. But it's a great experience. I never had an experience like this in my lifetime. But praise God and thank God I got this opportunity to visit Taj Mahal. नहीं चलेगा मेरे पास उतना भी छुट्टा नहीं है. हाँ. So from West Gate we are walking. Let's do some morning walk. You can see some of the people. From that particular gate they'll charge 10 rupees. Oh, my hands are completely frozen, and everywhere you can see smog, and dew is falling. You can see here. I reached from Nagpur. I reached Delhi. From Delhi, I went to my friend's house, and my friend stays in Hapur. From there, yesterday afternoon, I started towards Agra. So night around at 8 o'clock, I reached by bus. So if you're coming, in order to save money, if you're trying to come by bus, it will be little bit, you'll spend little bit extra money. But if you're trying to come by train, you'll save a lot of money. Better, easiest way is to come by train. So a lot of money can be saved. So you'll not find any idiots who will try to cheat. You'll not find all this. I had a very bad experience yesterday night. Who was trying to cheat me, but I was not cheated much. But I gave him 100 rupees for showing the route only. So we are walking on the west gate of Taj Mahal towards parking. So it is said here we are not supposed to carry few things. Let me show you the complete image so that when you are planning to come to visit Taj Mahal, you will not bring all these things. I have lot of luggage right now. Hope you can see. Water bottle is allowed, purse, camera, mobile phone, baby's what to say, milk bottle, purse, ladies purse, and here smoking, what to say, matchbox, lighter, cigarettes, knife, pistol, gun. Okay, bombs are even drones are not allowed here. Alcohol and even speakers are also not allowed here. So when you're coming to visit Taj Mahal, you please try to avoid all these things. Keep it somewhere in your room or somewhere wherever you're staying, but don't try to bring. They will take it away. Right, come. It's a great experience for me. I never experienced that. I'll walk or I'll do morning walk in this particular beautiful place. I'm not good in speaking. I'm trying my level best to speak fluently, but try to adjust for this time. Maybe I'll practice myself confidently. Maybe in the next video. Take medicines. Better you bring medicines. Like sometimes whenever you come to Delhi during winter season, you will. For me, I suffered 3 days in my friend's house. I was feeling so much breathlessness, so I took rest there. Then yesterday afternoon I started my journey towards Agra, and finally I reached Taj Mahal. This video is going to be a lengthy video, but I'm going to show you complete view of the great monument, we call it as the Taj Mahal. Hopefully the battery should not get dead. I had seen some of the videos and I had seen some of the YouTubers. They were saying that I charged my mobile camera batteries fully, but as soon as we reached as soon as we reached Taj Mahal, the battery is no more. Don't know the reason, but hopefully I'll show you complete video. You can see I almost walked from this way. I came from this way and I'm going again. See my luggage. Oh, I can see only myself on this road. I can hear some sounds of people walking, doing morning walk, jogging. I got cold. I'm not habituated to this climate. Morning I washed my face, brushed my teeth, then I took a tablet. Hopefully I'll not fall sick. This cap I purchased in Hapur. I came without any jacket, without any sweater, jacket. Better whenever you're coming towards this northern India, towards North India, try to cover your body as much as possible, because don't know how the temperature will be. When on Republic Day, it was almost like I was in Hapur. It's completely, the temperature is very cold. So I was having very much breathlessness. Oh, what a beautiful view. Never had this type of experience in my lifetime. I was waiting for this moment for a very long time. Here we should be very careful with the local lights and with the transport fellows, because they'll try to cheat and they'll try to take lot of money from the travelers, tourists. So be careful whenever you are coming towards this type of tourist places or this type of famous places. Be away from all this type of people and go a little bit forward, and then ask. For sure somebody or the other will surely they'll help. You can see I entered into one park. पार्क में फुल पत्ती ना थोड़े उद्यान की शर्मा आपके नगर की शोभा. I don't know proper Hindi, but let me show you how this hope you all can see this. It's completely filled with fog, moist. Everywhere you find moisture and everywhere you find dew. Birds are making lot of noise here. This is a park. You can see, I'll show you something. There's an owl sitting on top of the tree, of the dry tree, of the dead tree. Can you see the owl over there? Yeah. Wow, beautiful view. Let me take closer view. See. The peacock is sitting on the tree. I think it's common here for everyone. Hope no one is there in this park right now. Okay, I came out of the park and we are walking towards the Taj Mahal. Samanya Videsh. Okay, right now I reached almost Taj Mahal. I'm going to go to clock room. I'm going to keep all my luggage. Then I'll be back. Monkeys are also very feeling cold, I guess. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. You can see the dew, you can see the fog, you can't see front. So from here 200 meters is clock room, and from there again 300 meters is the point. Taj Mahal is been located. Hopefully never experienced like this type of location. People are walking early in the morning, doing morning walk. I'm trying to go to Manali. If it is possible, I'll spend some time in Agra. Then I'll leave from here. I need to take the class. It's 8 o'clock. can't see where they're standing and talking. Wow, great experience. Grandma stories, complaining. I need to recharge my mobile. My data got over, and I need to take even class also. हाँ हाँ, कितना लेता है वहाँ पे? कितना? बैग जमा
बैग का 20 रुपए।
हाँ
2 बैग का 20 रुपए। आईडी, कैमरा, पैसा और मोबाइल
हाँ
ये अंदर ले जाना आपको।
हाँ हाँ
ऊपर मास्क और पैर में कवर उसका।
ओके। So I kept my luggage in the locker room. Then I'm going towards Taj Mahal. क्या ये?
शूज कवर पहनना पड़ा पहन के।
कितना?
10 रुपए।
1 रुपये नहीं है। वो वहाँ पे ऑटो वाला नहीं दिया। हाँ थैंक यू। Taj Mahal West Gate, Taj Mahal 200 meters, ticket window 200 meters, clock room, we went already. Come, let's move. You'll find n number of monkeys. मेरे को भी आइडिया नहीं है। 8:30, but still you can see the fog which is completely covered. I can't see not more than 200 meters or 300 meters far. So coming during winter season, this is what we experience. Let's understand the story of Agra. Hope you, the letter A and Agra's most iconic, enduring symbol Taj Mahal have inspired the city's visual identity. They are unified into a simple, effective, and alluring symbol that captures the essence of Agra. A is the origin, the first letter of the English alphabet that is formed by two edge poles supporting a bridge. Agra begins and ends with A, and so does the epic saga of the city. Yeah. So we reached already the Taj Mahal. No, ticket isn't correct. Scan this from this way I came. This is the entrance towards Taj Mahal. And you can see the beautiful here is my guide. Sir, can you please tell your name?
My name is Khan
Your name is Khan. You are from?
from Agra.
From Agra. Yes, sir. Today, what all you are going to? Where all you are going to take me?
Right now I can explain you from this place.
Yes, please do, sir.
And we stand up here, this place named as the Fourth Court Arch of Taj Mahal, because they have the 4 gates. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that's the 4 Court Arch of Taj Mahal. Inside are the 4 gardens, 2 here and 2 there. This is the same size, same design, same styles. Look like to same symmetry. Should look at this room. Altogether 210 rooms. Because king time from Agra city, no any hotels, no any dharamsala, no any guest house. So people is come to here, he will be stay here. So same like on the guest house. King have the 3 wives, so you can make to 3 gates. First wife on the Sangli Begum, Eastern gate, second wife Fatehpuri Begum, Western gate, third wife Mumtaz Begum, make to Shaidor and Taj Mahal. And you can see on the back side that is the labor colony gate. The people to working here and those time we will be come this side and should go back this side. And now you can see of this gate name is Shaidor on the king time. When the king is finished, when you can visit in India, British government, he will be changed of this gate named Royal Gate. Royal means it's beautiful. Because this 3 gate is not so much beautiful, that is much beautiful. You see here the writing here on the telegraph, on the black one, the belong to Muslim, the whole you can write to Holy Quran, Islamic. And thus is no color, no painting.
Yes, sir.
Now you can see on the telegraph, the writing here, the black one, the belong to Muslims, the write the Holy Quran, Islamic. And thus is no color, no painting, this is the real onyx marble. Those time you can bring from Belgium to India. And those time no power, no motor, no grinder, just cut by hand grinders. When you can cut by hand grinders, then you can put on the white marble, take on the mark. Then you can cut in the white marble, same size, when you can fit inside. See the arch have the nice flower, it's all of the real gemstones, when I can use on the, from good luck for. So this stone have the red color stone, that's carnelian, green one green jade, yellow color tigerite, black is onyx, white is marble. Now you see on the gate on the height, bottom to top 105 feet, about 35 meters. You see the small dome on the top? This is 11 here, 11 this back side. Because those time no calendars, no computers, no calculators. So how you can make on the total of Taj Mahal? You make to 1 year, make to 1 dome. 2 years, 2 dome. 3 years, 3 dome. 4 years, 4 dome. So you can mean the whole building is completed 22 years. 22 years and 20,000 people working here when the build of Taj Mahal. So the construction of Taj Mahal 1631 and the complete of Taj Mahal 1653. So you know why I can make on this gate? What is the reason? Because she is much beautiful. And Taj Mahal more than to she is more beautiful. When you can come inside, you never see very easy Taj Mahal. You can feel in long time with said in Taj Mahal. So when we go inside, look at the nice view on Taj Mahals.
I think so. The temperature might be lesser than 5 degrees, if I'm not mistaken. The time is now 9:40. This area is completely filled with fog. This is the entrance. We are entering into the mausoleum or the Taj Mahal, the monument. It's It looks so too beautiful, very beautiful. These are the instructions, general instruction that one must should read and to go move forward. And this is the main gate. From here we will be entering, and here something is written. Taj Mahal has inscribed upon the World Heritage List of the Convention concerning the protection of the world cultural and natural heritage. Inscription on the list confirms the exceptional universal value of a cultural or natural site which deserves protection for the benefit of all humanity. Beautiful. As soon as you enter towards your left side, you will find this. It's and this is towards the right side. Clear, brief history of Earth. Through this gate, I entered from this, and you need to enter from this and see the huge structure of the main entrance gate.
प्राइवेट नहीं
And these are
This garden and fountain.
okay.
You see this gate before you see on the outside, now you see on the back side. This is the same, both of side.
Okay, from outside it is same, and
Inside also.
inside also it is same.
Same symmetry.
Same.
Symmetry.
Symmetry. What does that mean?
This means same to same, both of sides.
Both the sides it is same. Okay. It is been constructed how many years back?
1631.
1631. How many years it took? 22 years.
22 years, 1653.
1653. Completely, what type of stone it is? Red stone. Red marble stone.
Red sandstone.
Red sand. Okay.
They have 8 garden here and 8 garden there. And 53 the fountains.
53?
Fountains.
Okay.
Because this means 1631 and 1653 the completed. So 8 garden here and 8 garden this side. 8 and 8, 16.
Okay.
And 53 fountains.
53 fountains.
So 1631 starting, 1653 completed.
Okay.
So that's why 53 and fountains.
Thank you,
8
sir.
garden इधर हैं, 8 garden उस side में है.
Okay.
This means 16 garden and 53 fountains. ये काहे के लिए होगा कि 1631 में बनना शुरू हुआ, 1653 में बन के तैयार हुआ. इस वजह से 53 बनाया ये fountain.